Hi there, it's savewith.crypto here. Okay, so this is a bit of a late video, and I've just been trying to get some work done today, so I haven't had much chance to do videos and stuff, So we had the Chair Powell meeting today, and interest rate was like, nothing special, and he said nothing special, and consequently the price of Bitcoin hasn't plummeted like what some people thought it would do. Okay, so what I did earlier on, and I put this in the Telegram group, which if you're not in there, you can go to savewithcrypto.org/TG, and that's where I post what I'm doing with my various trades. Well, this one really. Now what I did, I set 3 buy orders for a long position, like kind of here, and here. And this wick came down here just shortly after Jerome Powell was speaking. It just came down very, very briefly, caught my first entry, and then off it went again. Now this, unfortunately, was only about 15% of the trading balance that I've got. So I've got various options. Now what I've always done in the past, I've always kind of like thought, oh, okay, well, I'm 38% in profit. It's only $10, but like if I'm 38% in profit, I may as well just go, like add another position there. But then that would bring up the entry price quite a lot. So it's probably not the best use of the money. So what I've been playing with, and I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I mean, please tell me if you think it's a terrible idea. But what I've been doing, I've been going down here. This is not on the trading, it's not on the challenge account. It's like my own private stuff where I've been doing this. And I've been going down here and thinking, well, I don't need these 2 orders anymore because they're irrelevant. So I've been cancelling those. And if you bear in mind that the actual position itself is now very much in profit, and this was only using like about 15% of the balance, so it's actually only $27. So I'm not frightened to experiment here, but what I'm going to do is now I've taken those orders away. It means that I've got basically more capital there that could be used as margin. So I don't see why I can't, for example, push this leverage up to something ridiculous like 40x, right? So let's just have a look what happens when I do this, right? Don't try this at home at all because it's probably stupidly dangerous. Now I know what will happen is like, if the price comes down, it's going to go massively down. But to me, this still seems like I'm actually says I'm 94% in profit now. But if I was to say set a stop loss here, that should technically still be okay, shouldn't it? So let's say about here, 28,600, say 28,603. Let's do that. So 28,603. Now that says profit will be, the profit's tiny, and return on investment will be 52%. But obviously, you're talking about, a very small amount there, aren't you? To me, what this means is that what I'm actually playing with is $10, right, on 40x leverage, which means I've got more cash to play with, haven't I? So if this goes up like, up to $31,000 or whatever, and I feel I can comfortably add more into the position, I can, can't I? I can't see anything wrong with the logic here. The idea is I'm using the capital I've got without having to sort of compromise the entry I've got, because I think the entry I got was good at 28,227. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just playing with a small amount, but if you can see anything wrong with this, then please do let me know, because I can't. I think I know other people do it where they kind of enter into a position with like sort of 2x leverage, and then when it starts going the right way, they kind of push it up a little bit. But obviously it only has an effect from the point where you change it, so obviously if this goes down now, then, I would, like, if it goes down from here to here, percentage-wise, it would look pretty grim, but I'd still be in profit. But as far as I can see, I'd still be in profit anyway. It also made me think, when you see these like YouTubers and they kind of like just show you like a screenshot of just this bit of their ByBit account, and, and it's got like some ridiculous percentage. I think this is how they do it, you know. I think they just start off with like, I don't know, $10 or whatever. Do something on like 2x leverage or something like that. When it starts going the right way, they just crank it up to like 100x or 50x, whatever you can do here. I can't think now. But so they crank it up to the maximum, and then this percentage looks insane, and then they sell you a course or something. I don't know. I just thought maybe that does happen. Do you reckon that happens? I do. So I'll tell you what, just to prove a point, I'm going to wait till the price goes up here a little bit more, and then I'm going to do the old thingy, that thing, and I'll use that as a thumbnail for this video, and see what everybody says. In fact, I could probably do it at that, couldn't I? Like 112%, and people would say, "Oh, it's a fake" or something, and like it's not though, is it? Well, it's not technically. The thing is, I'm only actually trading with $10, which is like ridiculous. And I've only made $12. Let's do it anyway. Looks like it's going to go up a little bit more. Let's try and catch it at like 29,148 or something like that. Be nice if it was 120%, wouldn't it? So it's 116 right now. Gone. There you go. Right. Let's grab this thing here, do that save image, okay, and I'm going to use that for my thumbnail. Okay, so just a bit of ridiculous fun here. Actually, the only thing I might do is I might just push the stop loss up to, say, here, like 28,825, and I'm just going to update the Telegram group to say what I've done, and then I'm just going to finish this video because I think everyone probably might be sort of interested in what the hell I'm doing. But, I don't think it has that many advantages like raising the leverage. All it does, it makes it a little bit more scary. But in theory, it does sort of free up some capital you got. For example, if I wanted to go and do like a limit buy now at a certain price, and I wanted to use all the capital I had, it would technically be the equivalent of like nearly $8,000, and bearing in mind I've only got 200. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Because that's on like 40x leverage. So what I really want to happen is for this to go up, so it's like massively in profit, like 1,000% in profit, and then when it comes down a little bit, I'll add some more and just keep doing that. I don't know. I might just do that because I think it'd be quite a funny thing to do. Anyway, I'm just going to say goodbye now because it's getting late and I'm probably keeping my daughter awake and she's got school tomorrow. So, okay. Please do give the video a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And above all, tell your friends.